How to delete your listing or reservation on booking.com. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up booking.com on a device. Now wait for some time. Now at the bottom part of your screen, you will find an option for bookings. Simply tap on it. Now tap on your bookings. Now scroll down. Now tap on manage booking. Now wait for some time. Now click on cancellation options. Now tap on cancel entire booking. Now click on yes. Now give your reason. Now tap on cancel my booking. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.